what is a chess quad as opposed to a regular chess tournament? Well, a quad format is one where you take all the players, and at Chess for Life, we take the highest ranked 4 players and they play in a group, quad meaning 4. And they will play simply 3 games, round robin style, with each other in your group. Down the group of quads, top 4, next 4, next 4, all the way down to the newest players who might be unranked. Why is this valuable? Well, think about it. When you're playing players close to your own ranking, then theoretically you're playing people close to your own skill. It's giving you excellent practice and training and sparring, as opposed to a regular tournament where you may have a much wider range of opponents. A new player may end up playing an experienced player. Experienced players may end up playing players much lower than themselves, not giving them as much opportunity to train. So a quad format is amazing because it's 3 matches combined, same skill level or close to it. An excellent format for training and practicing, whether you do it online or in person.